Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your favorite channel, Only Codes. And in today's video, we're gonna learn about Flutter and how to make a realistic, very good looking UI with the Flutter. So today's video will be about making the UI, just a static UI without any API integration. I'll be teaching all these advanced concepts after this. So if we are going through the Flutter, the first thing you should know how to create the UI. So in this video, we are doing that and we'll be making just a simple e-commerce app UI like normal UI like you see in Amazon, Flipkart, but this will be more good and more tweaks here and there will be there. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. And before, make sure you like and subscribe the channel and give your comments. So let's start, guys. So first of all, let's go to our VS Code and name our application as shopping app perfect. And now it will create one Flutter app template for me. Let's close this. So yeah, I think it's created. And with this, let's also start our iOS emulator. Let's make this big and let's also make this big. Let's make this here. Perfect. So we have our things configured and let's also first run this for the first time and see how does it looks. Perfect. Run without debugging. So it will be running and it will be making our first app. Before that, let's clear all the comments here and let's wait until the app builds for first time. It will only take time and for the first time while building the app. So yeah, I think our app is built. Perfect. So we have a app. So let's start with the app only. So in this video, we'll be just learning about widgets. I'm not going through the core advanced models like MVVM and MVC. It will be just a static UI with when you get to know about just introduction of widgets. And my approach is letting you learn through the projects, like making the project. So let's start with the project. So let's name the file as homepage.dart. And let's start coding from here. First of all, what uh, we need a stateless widget. Let's make this stateful widget only and name it as homepage. Perfect. It gave me the suggestion and everything will be homepage. Perfect. And we just need to import the packages to get all these things and to go to this pack. Also let's remove this container with the scaffold, and inside the scaffold let's make the app bar, and with the app bar with text and body of welcome to homepage, and let's run it again. So the problem here is we again build a app with this screen only because we have not added the navigation in the main page to go to here. So what we have to do, what we can do, we can just go to here directly and just copy the home page, come here and go to this directly. Perfect. I think we already had a home page, that's why. Import home page. So now we don't need all this. So perfect. Let's remove this space also, and now let's build our app. So see, you can see after hot reloading our app, we got this page, home page. So the whole thing we gonna do today is in home page only. So first of all, let's start with the app bar only. So if you like open your app like Flipkart or Amazon, you see on the top you have a app bar. For example, for Flipkart, if you go, there are like search bars and everything in here. But here, what we are just making a custom thing. So what we are gonna do. So first of all, let's make a title. We have a title, and in the title, let's name it as let's make not make this title as a center title, false, and let's refresh it. So we got things here, and we can also add some things like leading with the leading of icon menu. Perfect. Let's refresh it. So we get got menu here, and with the same thing we have trail. I think no, we have trailing. T on T only we can get. I think we don't have property of trailing. Yeah. So we only have uh like name here, and here what we can give the title as title in the column to just show things. Uh, Name it as give it as column, and inside column we have everything. You can give comma here. So what we did, we made a column. Inside column we have a text. Text may we have given Shopsy, our app, and then we have given text your one shop. Let's open. Perfect. So we got Shopsy, your one shop. Perfect. So we got this, and some other things also we can make here. Uh, I think this leading is not looking good, so let's remove this leading. So and this also. So yeah, now it's little fine, and we have all this area also to cover. So in all this area we can add multiple different things like uh, some search or something we can also give here. So in the column only, if we make a row inside here, so this is the column, and inside column if we make a row here, then we can obviously get some more thing. So here column ends, and in the column we have like icon we can give icon of. So we have given the icon of shopping cart, so will be black in color, and let's refresh it. So we got here, but the problem is it's just near the our title only. So what we are doing, we are giving main axis alignment as space in between. So now this will go at end. Perfect. Now it is looking good. And the other thing on the spaces we can add, or what we can do, just make this as true. Perfect. Center title as a true. We just restarted the app, and app restarted. Perfect. Scaffold here only we can add center title as false. Now let's refresh. Perfect. And with true also, let's try to refresh. I think it's so perfect. So we have Shopsy and we have a cart icon here. We can similarly add multiple icons also here by adding this in the row again. So we can make this also as an icon button, but we'll be making some other. So let's give an icon here once again. This an icon of the search. Perfect. Now we have search icon, and inside this we have a size box of width 20. So this will also give us the search icon here, and the same thing we can add with one more icon as a wish list or heart icon. It's same here, and favorite. Perfect. And let's refresh it. So now we got our name, Shopzy, and then we have like heart icon to go to our wish list, and then we have search icon to search the things, and then we have cart icon. Perfect. This is perfect. Now we have to like the app bar thing is done. Or more things you can give here like color and all. If you want to give color, let's give color to this also. Background color we have. Let's give background color as uh, color colors dot colors dot. We have multiple color here: blue, gray, brown, cyan. So let's make our app with purple. Purple color. No, it won't look good. Change this color. Or we can change it afterwards also. Let's continue with white only for now. So we have made a text bar, and let's dive into other things also. And also give background color as white. Perfect. So our OLAB will be in white. Perfect. So we have made the app bar. Now let's move into the body, and body will not have this. Body will be having a column, and inside column we will have children's. And with the children's, let's close this. We don't need this. I think should I make this bigger? Debug console also we don't need this. Okay, perfect. Now it's good visible also. So with the children we have first uh yeah, we can say this. So like I'm using Copilot, so you can also use. It's a very good tool, but no, sometimes the suggestion is not bad, not good. So let's make this as a row, and inside a row we want text. No, we want a container. ठीक है. I think, yeah, I'll tell you what to do. Con We need a container with all the edges and everything and the categories. Okay. Mm, no, this is also not good, but we can use this. Will be not having rows, margin, okay, remove this. Decoration we need, border radius we need of 10, and color will be gray only, huh, okay. And this will be a image. Child is not a row, will be a image. Okay. Network image we can use. We just need to give. So we can give network image, and we have this. So let's get some image from here. And for the image, we need clothes, clothes, PNG, image, URL. So we can come here, we can get any, I think this, open in new tab. Mhm. I think this will work, but print as. Mm, this is also not good. Mm, Clothing. Think free APK one all only good. So this one is good. Download zip, we have a zip. We can also copy this. Okay, let's download as like JPG only, and let's use this in the folder. So what we need a new folder here as assets, not here, in the directory only. Perfect. And what we need to do, we need to put our the downloaded thing. I think I need to make this small, and now open this downloaded image. Let's open this first. Perfect. I think inside the assets, we name this clothes. Perfect. And now in the home page, we will not use this, we will use asset. And I think this will be not there. Asset may we have इसका relative path. Perfect. Perfect. I think this is good. So we have a assets में इसका path. The main thing now what we need to do. So I'll be using one image only throughout the app. So we need to go to pub.yml, and here we need to uncomment this and remove this, paste this here and remove this, and we need to save this and rebuild our app. So let's make this again big. Accumulator here. I think now also it fails to read the mm, we'll be using image of image assets as assets. Perfect. Assets of cloth. Still it's not taking. So sometime what happened, it won't take in runtime. So let's try to rebuild the app only. So rebuilding the app will help us in getting the image. Sometimes it fails also. Image assets, okay, asset image, it should come. The other thing what we can see is, yeah, assets also, assets dot cloth. Okay, I think we got some error. Yeah, couldn't build application. What happened? Output build failed in debug mode. Writing no file as assets dot clothes jpg. Oh, we have put it the wrong thing here. ASSEST. Perfect. CLOTHS JPJ. Perfect. Let's save this. And ASS and this path only is our was wrong. That's why it was not working. Let's try to build this again. So you build design. See. So I think the size is very big, but the image has been. So we can give it inside a container. I think we didn't give the size and width of the container now. Height will be of 100 and width will be of 100. Perfect. Now let's, so yeah, we got this shop Z. So I think we need to remove the background, but I, we didn't remove. It's okay. It won't affect anything. Perfect. We have a container and container color also we have given. And the border radius will be of 100. And one more thing I wanna like tell you, to make the image side curved, we need clip our React widget, not with border radius of 100. Now you can see the image will also be there. So I think the size is very big of this. Yeah, let's make it of 70 and refresh it. Perfect. I think this is perfect. What I was planning to do, and perfect. This is perfect. So column is there, row is there, and I think let's pad this row. I'll be using this column only everywhere. Padding of 8 works. No, I think it should be a 15. Yeah, this works. Perfect. And below this, we have a row now. So we have made a row, and in this row, we can give a column, column, and below this row, we can give a size box also. Let's give a size box and text as clothing. Clothes. Perfect. It came in between. So row of container. Oh, I think I've added in wrong container. Remove this row. This container will be in column, not that. So here we need to add. Let's perfect. This only I needed. Let's format the document. So now it will be in good format. So this is clothes. Similarly, we want this to be scrollable vertically, and uh, we should not make, if we need 10 clothes, we should not make this like 10 widgets. It will only increase our codes. So try to make your code for one file below than like 200 or like 250 lines. So we'll be using the concept of functions here in the column. I think we'll be needing this, and we'll be making this inside a function. So let's create a function here. Function void name. It will be void only. Yeah, name will be uh, categ category widget, and we don't image path. Yeah, let's remove this. We only need label, and here we'll be returning our whole thing what we copied. Perfect. Mhm. Mhm. Little thingy. Perfect. Perfect. Let's format this document. Now we have that, and remove this clothes with this label. So what it will do now, we won't be using this whole thing here. Sorry. Image also you can give. So, but I am not telling you for the images. Perfect. And see, this widget we are using category widget as clothes, electronics, and home items. Let's give this. So see, you can see the 4 widget is here. I think it takes, let's clothes, electronics, mobiles, mobiles. Perfect. And let's make some more, two more books and toys. Perfect. But we have made this, but we got some renderer overflow here. So to make this, what I'll be doing, moving this into the widget called single child scroll view. Yeah, forgot it. Single cell scroll view, and inside the single cell scroll view we have axis direction, scroll direction of x is horizontal. Perfect. So now we won't be getting this error, and now our list will be scrollable. Perfect. So what we did, we made shopzy, and then we made different categories over here. Perfect. So after the categories, we'll be making some banners here below this. So the banners will help us to make things more good. So perfect. Let's come here. For banner also we can like children. We have single child scroll view. And this will be in row. Single child scroll view. Before this will be size box of 10, and then we'll be listing all our banners. So for banners, we again need a container of height. It's TK double blue color promotional banner. Perfect. So we'll be needing this. Let's refresh. Now we don't need it. Okay, so we have a promotional banner here. Also, we can give similar thing here. Child as a clip R react. So for this also, let's find something. We don't need this. Let's remove this child. Format document. Okay. This will give this. Okay. And I think we don't need this color. Gray will be good only. Let's find a banner for this. And let's use Flipkart banner only. Flipkart banner. Ah, yeah, we can use all these banners. Images may we can go and we can use any of these banner. This will be good. Let's save download image only. PNG or JPG. PNG we need to know. We don't need this. Save image. Yeah, this is a JPG. So we'll be using this in our there. I think we can move from there only. Why again and again we need to. Let's just copy this, go to our Flutter projects, shopping app. We have assets here. Let's paste this. Perfect. Save this, remove this. You can see images came here. We can use this image. Let's name it. Rename. Perfect. And in our home page, let's remove this thing with the image. Images. The yeah, spelling is correct. And the other thing we have to change is clothes JPG here. So it will take the whole folder only, not this cloth. So it didn't came. Assets, images. I think let's pause this and rebuild our app again. I think we encountered an error again. So let's see what is the error. So no files, variation found in assets. Okay, so let's specify this only. Let's make his clothes and image. Image. It is image है क्या? Images. It's images. Perfect. It's clothes and images. Let's remove this. Let's run this again. I think we have given the spelling wrong here. Clothes is here. column में yeah close is there. Says images. I am it's right only. So let's try to build this again. I think mm, now we should not get any error. Yeah, we didn't got any error. So perfect. We have here, but now you can see it's little weird due to what we added here. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. And I think the banner is little smaller. So there's one more hack for this. I think fit is a fit, and with a box fit, we have we'll be giving box fit game as cover. So this will cover our whole container. There are multiple things also contain fill. Let's close this. Scale down values contains, and let's rebuild the app. Mm, Remove this widget. Why infinity is double and clipper react is this. Mm, It should work. Bundle package asset image. Let's try to format a document. Images is there. Box. It should work. Let's scale down. Build fix. Fit with. Yeah, worked. So this is good, and we also made a banner. And so two things are done. We have made a category section. You can change the category with downloading files also. And now let's go through some widget listing and all. And so for that, one more thing you can do, you can add a page view to like make this and make three dots here, and you can use this, but we are not doing that today. It will be for it's a little more conceptual thing. We'll be just learning about widget and arranging them into multiple formats. Perfect. So we made this. Then again, let's go to our other section. We have a container. Inside a container, we'll go here, and here we have a text, not a container. Text with popular categories. Yeah, popular sale products we can give as sale products. Sale products. Perfect. Let's refresh it. See, we got this, but this is not looking good. So we can use cross alignment as start. Now, I think main axis alignment will be main axis alignment dot start. Now it will come on left side. Okay, we add this on column, and this column will be main axis alignment of start. And cross axis alignment also. I don't know why some issues are in iOS. Okay, if we will, we'll also build this app in Android also. So I think it will be here only. And then let's start with the things. Let's make one size blocks of 10 and single child scroll view. Yeah, it, uh, we need this single child scroll view. Yeah, scroll direction horizontal. No, not this. Let's give a column here. Same thing we are gonna do here. Space between height width color, container. Okay, let's refresh it. So yeah, three things came in a row, but we only need two, not three, and we'll be increasing the size to 300, 300, 300, 300. I think it got too much big. 250. Let's do 150 for all. Perfect. We can increase some more. 180. Here also we can use grid widget. Will be more good little sized size box of width 10 with a comma. Mm, it gave us little. Let's make it 75. So basically, we always don't hard code these things. We always make these things on the like relative sizes according to the screen. But for that, we'll be using one widget. But for now, I'm telling you just for like the as a basic tutorial. And then what we need? We need decoration, the box decoration of this, and inside this decoration, we need this 100%. And let's refresh it. Yeah, we got this curved, and then we need some products. First of all, it's child. Uh, child of clip plate, border areas, clip plates of clothes. Okay, but this clip react will be inside a column because we also need some text and all there for text. For now, product name, product style, then let's run this. Yeah, we got this, but this is kind of big. Let's make this inside a container. So, so make this inside a container. And after this container, inside this container, let's make this height. Let's give this height as little small as 120, and width is also now it's fine. Perfect. Now it's fine. Our clothes are fine. Product name and everything is fine. The we need some sized box with a height 10 and not 10, it will be 5 or something. Perfect. And what we can add more is I'll also tell you one widget called stack widget. From the stack widget, we can add. So for the stack widget, we need a column of this. Okay, is before this only. We can use a stack widget. Stack. Perfect. And stack widget, we'll be using uh, icon, perfect, perfect. So you can see the icon will be coming. I think stack, we have need to put this. Perfect. This is the only thing I wanted. And let's give little padding to this. Not all, only. Hmm. Only with the left side of I think 5. Yeah, this is good. Perfect. And top of 5. Yeah. Not 5. Let's do only. Yeah, this is perfect. This what we need. So we have given this, but I think it should be on like that side. So I don't think so. Ki stack will have. Let's make this red for now. Red won't look good. So black only is fine. So perfect. We made this sale product. In the sale product we have sale product will be in. See, now it came in this side in row, and in that row so iOS space between. Perfect. This is the only thing we need. So now we can remove all this. We don't need this. Perfect. So now we have all this. Now the similar thing we can do to save us spaces and all. We can use this widget. Is this inside a row? Kya? Column children height. Huh. This. Mm, I think till here we need container. Perfect. Let's make a function out of it. Not this. Mm, Function of items. Items will be good back. Return item function. Mhm. It's column name. The name was same for the container. We'll replace with container. Now it is fixed. Let's format our document. Format document with Dart. Perfect. And use this item widget everywhere. Not the whole thing what we want. Sale products is there. Is there sale product? No, no, no. Yeah, this thing. Or we can use this one. Item widget with T such t-shirt. Same. We need to replace the label. Sorry, this label here with the product name. Perfect. We got a error, yeah? Yeah. We'll be needing this. Perfect. That's yeah, we got that. Perfect. Same thing. T-shirt की जगह we have jacket, and this row will be in the column. This we can use grid widget or grid renderer here, but since this is fine, it won't affect us. Perfect. So this is we did. So it looks fine for now, but we can add one more thing. It is known as navigation bar. So it is a part of this only, or add a floating action button. Let's add floating action button. Floating action button on pressed, color black, title home. So you can see one floating action button came, and we can also change this to the thing like add a photo, alarm, notification, like seal if I give come here. Okay, for now this only is fine. Home is only fine. Yeah, and we can also add bottom navigation bar. So bottom navigation bar will give you things like this. The only issue is with this is like mm, I think this gave us the issue of bottom renderer. So let's wrap this widget into single child scroll view of horizontal. No, no vertical. Refresh. Oh, so we got a perfect error of screen. So we should not add this here. We should add this at a first line for wrap this column. Wrap in a widget, single child scroll view here. Sorry, axis scroll direction, axis vertical. Yeah, now issues is gone and the whole screen is like normal. So we made, I was telling for the nav bar. So this is what we made, but this looks very weird. So in this video, I'll also be telling how to get the packages from pub.dev. So we'll be using pub pub.dev, and here from here we'll be using gnav. It's a very popular like library from Google. I remember, yeah, this one. I remember it using. So, thinking of teaching you here. Let's go to our this, and here we need a terminal first of all, I think, and go to terminal ports and paste this. So this command will automatically download and add your gnav here. And how to use it, you can go to an example and see how we have used it. Safe padding lines this. Readme file also have that example. Yeah, this is a proper example of gnav. And replace this bottom nav bar with gnav. It will give you some error for the first time. You just need to install that thing. Mhm. So now let's comment this and solve for other. We don't have line icons here, so we can also install one package from line icons so that we can get line icons. This one only. How this is used? This one only. Same thing, you can go install here and similarly go to your terminal, paste this command, add. So this will download and add the dependency in your project. After that, you can just import it. See, the error is gone, I think. Perfect. So let's try to run this now and see. See, we got our navbar, but this navbar is damn bad. So let's wrap it into a container. First of all, let's remove all this all content and format the document. And this is our button now. Give it inside a container. Let's give it a height of like 100. Perfect. That's what we need. 70 will be fine. That will be more with. Okay. And let's give some padding to GNF of 8. Yeah, not 8 will work. 12. 20. 20 will make it smaller, but I think 15 is fine only. Okay. So we have a cool nav bar here. But problem with this nav bar is it won't look good. Like to me, it won't look good. So for this, today we'll be adding nav bar. So in this nav bar, what we are doing, we need one thing, that is let's change the color. I don't like tab shadows. I don't need this. It's very bad. And active color is also not good. Active color should be black, and tab background color is white only for me, because we need to follow current design pattern. Yeah, this one is good. Okay, haptics, tab border, active tab with one. Okay, tab border. I don't think I need tab border. Yeah, this one is fine. Yeah, this one is very fine. Tab border we don't need. Curve duration, it's fine. Active color is black. Okay, tab background is fine. Icon size is good. And padding, why we have a padding here? Let's remove this padding and see. I think it's needed. Perfect. But horizontal, let's remove vertical padding. Oh, it's inside of that. 15. 15 is damn too big. 10. Oh, this one is fine. 8. So we have G button, and curves are good. Now, what we need, uh, s- 70, and duration is very slow. Let's make it as 500. Yeah, and we can also change, I think, see or more things here. Background color, debug, hover color is there, main axis right color, tab change color, text size, style, selected index, and yeah, more things here. Perfect. So perfect. We have all things covered now. Yeah. So this is for today, guys. In today's video, we learned about how to arrange all the widgets, how to make widgets. We learned about container widget and bottom navbar widget, floating widgets, like all the grid views, no column, stack views are very important. How to work with body, how to work with app bar, and all the basic components in our app, and how to use the images from assets, and how to arrange your widgets in the good and representable form. So I think this video helped you, and if you like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe the channel. And we also learned about how to integrate the external package from PubDev and use in our uh, app. So thank you for watching, and then future videos, I'll be also teaching about how to integrate the APIs in this speed this app, or many things. So today, or many architectural structure like MVVM, MVC, this is not the way you code. It's a very basic thing, but it is well explainable to beginners. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.